Good morning students. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is the active and passive voice. Okay, passive, PASSIVE, passive voice. It is related with active and passive voice. Okay, first understand what is meant by the voice. Voice means in Marathi prayog. Okay, look here, the active, it is related with subject oriented. Okay, and passive means, that means in that passive voice, the object is mainly work, like that. Okay, that means it is kartari prayog in Marathi and karmani prayog in Marathi. Okay, passive voice means, look here, we use an active verb. Okay, we use an active verb to say what the subject does. What the subject does. When we use active voice, we use active voice. Okay, active verb. Remember that active verb and active voice, the same thing, like that. Okay, we use an active verb to say what the subject does. आपण active verb कधी वापरतो? ज्या वेळेस कर्ता काय करतो, what the subject does, the action of the subject. The action of the subject is related with active verb, that is called the active voice. Okay, we use a passive verb. We use passive verb to say what happens. Are you getting that? What happens? काय घडलं? What happens? काय घडलं ज्यावेळेस आपण म्हणत असतो किंवा सांगत असतो त्यावेळेस, that is the passive verb. We use their passive verb. What happens? काय घडलं? What occurred? What occurred? When we are saying to something what occurred or what happens to the subject, that time we use passive verb, and that is called passive voice. Are you getting that? It is the difference between two, active verb and passive verbs. It is the same as the active voice and passive voice. When we are talking about what the subject does, what the subject does, that is the active verb, or it is called active voice. And when we are saying, or we are talking about what happened to the subject, what happened to the subject, that shows the passive verb, and that is called passive voice. Okay, look here, the passive is a form by using be plus the past participle. Okay, look here, the passive or passive voice. Are you getting that? The passive is a form. Form means prepared. Do you know that? Form means prepared. It is the singular word. The passive or passive voice is formed by using be plus the past participle. Be. Be means it is a form of helping verb, like am, is, are, was, were. Do you get that? Be. It is the helping verb form. Okay, to be form. Be plus the past participle. So am is, okay, am, are, is plus past participle. Past participle means for the verb third form. Verb third form. Do you get that? Past participle means verb third form. Okay, we can say that V3. Okay, V3. Are you getting that? Am oblique are plus oblique is plus past participles. Okay, like we know that the return is the past participle of write. Are you getting that? Return, V3, that is the verb third form. It is called past participle. Okay, now look here, active. Once again, watch out for the irregular past participles. Okay, some are past participles that are irregular. Mostly we use like, okay, play. It is the main verb, and played, it is the past participle. Are you getting that? Play. Play is a verb. Play is a verb. Play काय आहे? क्रियापद आहे, पण त्याचं थर्ड फॉर्म past participle काय? Played. But it is a irregular. Written. Write, wrote, written. Written. It is called irregular past participles. Are you getting that? ज्यावेळेस आपण क्रियापदाला ed लावतो तो काय असतं? रेग्युलर पार्टिसिपल असतात, पण काय याचे पार्टिसिपल्स असतात पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म ते कसे असतात वेगळे असतात. ओके लाईक come came come same as the first form and third form. Okay, now cut these are the irregular forms of the past participles. Okay, look once again, watch out the irregular past participles. Okay, now here is one conversation or one dialogue related with these pictures. Okay, now you can use here. Okay, look at active. My sisters wrote the letter. First, here are two examples of related with active voice and passive voice. Okay, active voice, it is one example of active voice. My sister wrote the letter. Okay, that means what the subject does. It shows in this example. कर्त्याने काय क्रिया केली, what action performed by the subject. Okay, my sister wrote the letter. Okay, the letter or a letter as per wish. Okay, my sister wrote the letter. In this example, the subject, my sister, what did he did? He wrote the letter. Do you get that? या सब्जेक्ट ने कोणती क्रिया केली हे सांगतो, त्यावेळेस आपण काय म्हणतो तो ऍक्टिव्ह व्हॉइस. ओके, नाउ द सेकंड वन इज the letter was written by my sister. And the passive of, look here, it is the past tense, simple past tense. हा कुठला टेन्स आहे, simple past tense आहे. yes plus v2 plus object. Okay, yes plus v2 plus object, and it is simple past tense. And the passive of that sentence, look here, the passive of that sentence, the letter. Okay, it is object, it is verb, and it is subject. Okay, it is the general formula. Okay, look here, yes plus v2 plus object. Now the letter we took here object first, then to be was be form. Okay, now verb third form, or it is called past participle. Past participle. Are you getting that? PP means past participle. Okay, past participles. Now past participle PP means, or you can write here verb third form also. Okay, I write here V3. Okay, then by, here we attach, that is new words by. Are you getting that? This we add in only passive voice by this new word. Okay, this is the new word we attach after the verb form. And next, then we use here the subjects. If the subject is proper noun, we use as it is. When the subject is pronoun he, that time we use there the second form of that objective case of that pronoun, that is him, as per the situations. Okay, जर करता जर दे आहे प्रोनाउन असेल तर त्याचं पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये करताना काय होणार, देम होणार. देचं काय होतं, देम. हिचं हिम, शीचं हर. ओके, वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ओके, देचं काय होणार, देम. बट इफ देयर इज एनी कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन, दैट टाइम वी यूज द सेम एज इट इज. ओके, माय सिस्टर वी यूज हियर. ओके, माय सिस्टर. नाउ लुक हियर, देयर इज वन dialogue. Okay, our conversation is here. Now here is one conversation. Look here, teacher. Okay, teacher said, this two dot means it is said. Teacher said, look at the map, comma children. Okay, here is the teacher. Okay, here is the teacher. You can see in your book also. Okay, the teacher said, this teacher said to these children. Okay, these children, teacher said to these children. Okay, here is the one map. Here is the one map. Okay, now let's start the conversation. Okay, teacher said, look at the map, comma children. Okay, teacher said to whom? To children. Okay, now can anyone tell me the name of this country? In your book you can easily get the answer. Okay, here is one. She point out that one country name is here. Okay, okay. Look here. Can anyone tell me the name of this country? Question mark. Teacher asked to students. Okay. Now pupil. First pupil said. Pupil means students. Do you get that? It is the similar words to the students. Okay, pupil. Okay, pupil is the similar words to students. Okay, pupil. First pupil. I am. Okay, I am. It is the short form of I am. Okay, I am not sure. I am not sure. Can you tell us something about question mark? Okay. Then one voice said, "Ma'am, I am not sure. Full stop. Can you tell us something about?" Okay. Then teacher said, Spanish is spoken here. Okay. In that country, Spanish. Okay, look here, Spanish language. Spanish is spoken here. Here means in that country. Okay. Now, second pupil. Is it Spain? Means, okay. The second pupil replied to teacher. Okay. Is it Spain? Means, okay. He said the answers. Okay. Now, teacher said, no, coffee is grown in this country. And teacher gave a clue to that boy. No, that is not Spain. Okay. Coffee is grown in this country. Full stop. Now, the third pupil said to teacher or replied to teacher, I know. Teacher, I know. The third pupil said, I know, miss. Okay, it's Mexico. Okay, it's Mexico. Full stop. And teacher replied, that's right. Well done. Okay, that is the Mexico. Okay, do you look here? Mexico is the right. Okay. Now, that's right. Teacher said, that's right. Well done. Okay. Now, Brazilian farmers grow coffee. Full stop. And coffee is grown by the Brazilian farmers. It is related with more information about to that country. Okay. Do you get that? I hope you get the all things related with this topic. The remaining part of this topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.